My name is Nathan Moore. I'm an orthopedic surgeon that specializes in minimally invasive joint replacement for the hip and the knee. For my undergraduate education, I went to Brigham Young University in Provo, Utah. I majored in exercise physiology and received a bachelor's in science. I was there for 4 years, and then I attended medical school in the San Francisco Bay Area at Touro University College of Osteopathic Medicine. And there I spent another 4 years in medical school training. Following medical school, I did a 5-year surgical residency at Ohio University at their Grandview Medical Center campus in Dayton, Ohio. I then did a 1-year fellowship in Phoenix, Arizona in adult reconstructive surgery for hip and knee replacement. For many people, total knee replacement has always been thought of as a very painful procedure, a very difficult procedure to recover from. But with minimally invasive techniques and advanced techniques using robotics, we've been able to take what once was a very challenging procedure, and we've been able to turn it into a much more manageable procedure. I like to tell people that this isn't your mother's knee replacement. By using muscle-sparing techniques, we're able to cut down the amount of pain individuals have. We're able to cut down on the amount of narcotics that are required after surgery, and we're able to advance through their recovery much quicker. By using advanced technologies with robotics, we're able to gain a preoperative picture of what the patient's knee looks like before even making an incision. We obtain a CT scan, which helps us see the exact shape of the patient's knee prior to surgery. It allows us to make a 3D model of the patient's knee. And through that, we're able to know the exact sizes of implants that the patient will require. We're also able to determine the appropriate position and placement of the implants and the appropriate alignment of the patient's knee, and we're able to restore that with accuracy. We're able to give patients a very unique experience because it's tailored exactly to their anatomy. I also do robotic-assisted total joint replacement using minimally invasive techniques. So by using the robotic arm assistance, we're able to place these implants with much higher precision than would be with standard instrumentation. I've been in the Phoenix area since 2014. I have a wife and 4 kids, and we have really grown to love the Phoenix area.